All right. Florida schools have apparently begun banning Harry Potter along with several other books. Harry friggin' Potter. I've seen way worse, even that ending. I've seen way worse books and book series than Harry Potter. And apparently they're banning Harry Potter. Oh, and then the Wizarding World went political as well. So good job, J.K. Rowling, if you had anything to do with that. So, yeah. All Florida's now got left is the coast, the team, the Florida Gators, and one measly little classic rock station. They can't decide whether it's a hardcore kick ass rock and roller or a